Hi, hello, namaste. Good evening to all. Today, let us have the discussion on YouTube class regarding with the Unacademy, under which here I am going to take recap on microbes in human welfare. Microbes in human welfare, one of the second PUC chapter, and here let us have the discussion of chapter 3 MCQ. Before going to that, Unacademy introduced plus course with the reference to focusing on Karnataka CET 2021 aspirants. So here let us crack Karnataka CET with Unacademy. How to crack, how to have the benefit. So let us have the benefit with the Unacademy through following important properties with the premium and content at affordable price, structured live courses, quizzes at regular intervals, batches for complete preparation, test series for DPPs, single subscription for unlimited access. So everything is under single subscription. What are the important feature of plus course? That is 20 plus top educators are taking the class, 10 plus batches are there, 250 plus courses, and 2000 plus lessons are added, and many more added every day. So during the time of plus subscription, you can use my code KCET Murali to get 10% off. This is the price value for this Unacademy class, and the 10% off if you use my code KCET Murali, and you will get 10% off from this value, okay, price value. And also this is the batches where plus course are handling. At present there are 4 batches under biology: Rankers batch, champion batch, Kannada batch, and Masters batch. Myself, I am taking the Rankers batch, then Kannada batch, and Masters batch. So you can have this batches. So if you subscribe for the plus course, you can have any one batch. You can select. How to select that batches? You have to take out the select the Unacademy Learners app from the Google Play Store, install it. Under search, go to State CET, under which select the Karnataka CET, and by paying the prescribed amount by using my code KCET Murali, you can get 10% from the prescribed amount. And also we have with the daily T20 free practice test, 20 questions in 20 minutes, live test and get leader report ranking, evaluate your performance, attempt later multiple times. You can gain confidence for your oncoming Karnataka CET. So it is available for free, so you can use it, okay, clearly. So that is the thing with respect to Unacademy plus course and the test. Now let us have the discussion. So what about now? Sound? Is it okay now? What about the sound now? Is it okay? Hello? Can you hear me? All of you? So how to attempt the test? That is the free test. This is the procedure for that one. So by this introduction, now I am moving towards the discussion of questions under microbes in human welfare. Okay. Yes. What about the sound now? Am I audible? Here it is going well. Nothing is wrong from my side. Recording is going on in a proper way. Yes, the first question. Good evening to all. Welcome to the class. So first question, let us have the discussion. Select the mismatch pair. Frankia ulmus, Rhizobium alpha alpha, Anabaena nitrogen fixer, Rhodospirillum mycorrhiza. So mismatch pair, it is A. Rhodospirillum mycorrhiza. It is not the example for mycorrhiza. So A is the right answer. Manoj, welcome to the class. Vinod, welcome. Okay, Creator, welcome. Welcome to all. So the first question, the right answer, it is A. Okay, but the second, third, and fourth all are right. Okay, but here Rhodospirillum is not related with the mycorrhiza. The second one, which of the following fungi contains hallucinogens? So hallucinogens coming under drug, isn't it? Drug, types of drug, etc., etc. So which is the following fungi will going to provide with the hallucinogen content? So microorganism used with respect to human welfare. So here the example of fungi containing hallucinogen is Amanita muscaria. So Amanita muscaria is the right answer. Yes, Vinod, what happened to the sound? Here it is okay, because I tested the sound through my mobile, and here it is okay. What about the others, Manoj? Then Creator, is there any problem with respect to hearing? Okay. So sound, another sound is the fan sound, okay? Another background sound is the fan sound, okay? Yeah. So maybe, please check your headphone or anything, okay? So which of the following fungi contains hallucinogen? It is Amanita muscaria. That will provide the hallucinogen content. Third one, an algae which can be employed as food for human being. Food for human being is nutritional. So which is the algae which is going to be utilized as nutritional thing in the case of human being? Example, Ulothrix, Chlorella, then Spirogyra, Polysiphonia. So third question, the right answer, it is Chlorella. So Chlorella is the right answer. Okay, thank you, Manoj. For the third question, it is B. Yes, for the second question, it is B. First question, it is A. All of you are right. Okay. So the third question, the algae which can be employed as food for human being, it is Chlorella. Then a good producer of citric acid is, so in the industrial application, citric acid is going to be produced from which microbe? That is, for the fourth one, the right answer, it is C. Aspergillus. Aspergillus niger will provide citric acid in the industrial level. So use of that Aspergillus fungi for the production of citric acid. Yes, for the third question it is B, and for the fourth question it is C. Yes, Manoj and Vinod, you are right with respect to third question. And the fourth question, let us have the fourth question now. Yeah, fourth question, it is C is the right answer. Aspergillus will provide citric acid. Next, question number 5th. In gobar gas, the maximum amount is that of what? Out of different gaseous molecule emitted by the gobar gas system or biogas system, which is the highest percentage? It is nothing but methane. It is from the methanogen bacteria. So this bacteria, methanogen bacteria, is present in the gut of cow or the ruminants. So that will provide the process of production of biogas, which is the methane gas, utilized as the fuel for cooking and electricity production. So the right answer for fifth one is B. Yes, for the previous question, for the fourth question you are right. C is the right answer, you know. Next question number 6. The domestic sewage in large cities. To this sentence, which statement is right? Domestic sewage in large cities, the right answer is B. Refers to is processed by aerobic and then anaerobic bacteria in the secondary treatment in STPs, that is sewage treatment plants. So domestic sewage, the use of microorganism in the treatment of domestic sewage in large cities by the process of aerobic respiration and followed by anaerobic bacteria usage in the secondary treatment with respect to sewage treatment plants STPs in the in the big mega cities. So right answer is B for the question number 6. The most common substrate used in the distilleries for the production of ethanol is. So distilleries, the ethanol production, alcohol production in distilleries, most common substrate for that one which is used is which one? So seventh question, that is corn meal, soya meal, ground gram and molasses. It is the molasses. So right answer is D for 7th. Yes, Shrishika, you are right for the 6th question. B is the right answer. Vinod, you are right. B is the right answer for 6th question. Shrishika, welcome to the class. Good evening. And next question number 7. In that, D is the right answer. Molasses. Shrishika, you are right. And next question number 8. Which of the following produced by the activity of anaerobic bacteria on sewage under STPs? So which is that one? By the activity of anaerobic bacteria. Activity of anaerobic bacteria. Laughing gas, propane gas, mustard gas, marsh gas. So question number 8, it is the marsh gas. Marsh area, marsh gas with respect to sewage treatment, the gaseous production is the type of gas is called marsh gas. Right answer is D for the question number 8. Yes, for 8, D is the right answer. Okay. Next 10th question. Question number 10. Sorry, question number 9. Continuous addition of sugar in fed batch fermentation is done to what? So addition of sugar in the fed batch fermentation technique or in that mechanism where sugar is continuously added, it is for what? It is purification of enzyme. To get enzyme under industrial level or with respect to fed batch mechanism where continuous addition of sugar is there, that will provide with the respect to purification of enzyme. So 9th question, C is the right answer. Yes, we know D is the right answer for last question, 8th question. Okay. Next question number 10. The common nitrogen fixer in paddy field. In the paddy field, nitrogen fixers are very common. Which is the example for that one? Rhizobium, Azospirillum, Oscillatoria, Frankia. It is the Azospirillum. Azospirillum is the commonly available nitrogen fixers in the paddy field. So after the harvesting of paddy, in that field usually vegetables are going to be grown, leguminous plants, vegetables. So as a result of that, the paddy field which is having rich with nitrogen even after the harvest is going to be utilized in the case of vegetable growth. So right answer for the question number 10, it is B. Next 11th question. Which of the following in sewage treatment removes suspended solid. Suspended solid material. So here suspended solid will be there in the sewage water. In which level, whether it is in the secondary, primary, sludge treatment or tertiary treatment, in which level it is going to be removed. Suspended particles, soil, the plastic item or any other solid ingredients which are present in the sewage water is going to be separated out through filtration under primary treatment. Under primary treatment. So right one answer is B for 11th. Yes, we know that is anabin is also there. Okay, for the 10th question, anabin, another option we can give, that is anabin. Here I given azospirillum, rhizobium, oscillatoria, frankia. Anabin also can be considered as nitrogen fixer in the paddy field. Okay. Yes, you are right, for the previous one. Yeah. And 11th question, it is a primary treatment. So after the separation of this physical debris, physical solid particle, later in the secondary treatment, dissolved nutrients are going to be taken out by the use of microorganism action. So right answer is B for 11th one. Yes, you are right. And 12th one, what gases are produced in anaerobic sludge digester? In the anaerobic treatment, primary treatment, after that secondary treatment, in that anaerobic treatment we can observe the production of gaseous molecule, which are that one. It is a methane, hydrogen sulfide and carbon dioxide is going to be produced under anaerobic sludge digester with respect to secondary treatment in the case of STDs. So right answer for 12th one, it is once again B is the right one. Okay. And 13th one, a patient brought to hospital with myocardial infarction is normally immediately given what? So which is the chemical responsible to overcome the blockage in the blood vessel and act like clot buster? Penicillin, streptokinase, cyclosporin A and statins. Remember, these four things are very important. These are the byproduct of microorganism, especially used in the case of human society. So 13th one, the right answer is B, streptokinase. Streptococcus bacteria, from that streptokinase is going to be produced, and this streptokinase is important with respect to acting like clot buster in the blood vessel. So as a result of that, we can treat the patient who is with the myocardial infarction or heart attack, not heart failure, heart attack, due to the blockage of blood vessel. Okay, so this streptokinase will go and open that blockage, so it is called clot buster. So right answer for 13th one, B is the right one. Okay. Next question number, yes, we know for the previous question, 12th question, it is not C, it is B. Am I right? The 13th one, B. One second. One second. It is B, it is not C. Cyclosporin is going to be given as a immunosuppressive agent under what? Under what? During the organ transplantation, isn't it? Yes, sir. Manohar, namaste. You are right, Manohar. For the 13th question, B is the right answer, streptokinase. Cyclosporin A is acting like what? It is going to be having what? What is the function of cyclosporin A? Immunosuppressive agent. Penicillin is antibiotic. Is it? Statin, it is important for removing of. So what is statin? What is the function of statin? lower cholesterol, isn't it? Blood cholesterol level will going to decrease by the use of this statin. Treatment with respect to blood cholesterol level, that is a statin. Of course, all the four things are coming from particular microorganism. Next, 14th question. A nitrogen fixing microbe associated with azolla in rice field. Nitrogen fixing microorganism associated with azolla, the plant in rice field, which is that one. Yes, this is the Anabaena. Azolla Anabaena combination. Okay, mutual relationship azolla and Anabaena. That will going to enrich the nitrogen content with respect to paddy field or rice field. Okay. Yes, you are right. Organ transplant under immunosuppressive agent cyclosporin A. So next question number 15. So 14th question, B is the answer. 15th one. Which one of the following is an example of carrying out biological control of pest disease using microorganism? So using microorganism, the disease control of disease or pest, it is by biological way. So which is the right example for that one? It is Trichoderma viride or Trichoderma species against the plant pathogen. Okay, so that is the use of microorganism directly with respect to plant pathogen against plant pathogen. So right answer is A, Trichoderma species. Yes, we know that. Blood cholesterol level, that is the statin. So for the 15th question, right answer is Trichoderma species. Then ethanol is commercially produced through a particular species, which is going to be utilized for the industrial production of ethanol. It is Saccharomyces. So Saccharomyces cerevisiae, the yeast, is going to be utilized for the anaerobic respiration, under which ethanol is going to be created or produced. That is nothing but industrial commercial application of Saccharomyces in the field of ethanol production. So right answer for 16th one, A. For the 17th one, yeah, here I given, read the following statement and fill up the blanks. A drug used for dash patient is obtained from a species of dash organism. The one correct option for the two blanks is, so a drug used for organ transplant patient is obtained from a species of organism. Which is the organism? Just a minute. B. It is organ transplantation, Monascus, Pseudomonas, Penicillium, Trichoderma. Okay, so right answer for this question number B is question number 17, it is B. Okay, then Trichoderma harzianum has proved useful for, so Trichoderma harzianum is used for biological control of soil-borne pathogen. Okay, then nitrogen fixation in the root nodule of Alnus species of the plant is brought about by which nitrogen fixer? It is the Frankia. Once again we can have the mutual relationship between Alnus and Frankia with respect to the process of nitrogen fixation. So for 18th one, B is the right answer. Yes, Manoj, welcome to the class. Namaste. Yeah. For the 19th question, A is the right answer. And for 20th one, probiotics are what? What is meant by probiotic? What is the meaning of probiotic? Yes, Manoj, for 19th one. Yes, for 19th one it is A, Frankia. So you should know about these things. There is a mutual relationship, Alnus plant and Frankia, nitrogen fixation, and both are having mutual relationship. One will going to provide with the nitrogen to the plant, that is a Frankia, and the Frankia is going to get the shelter from Alnus. So it's a mutual relationship, symbiotic relationship. Okay. So symbiosis is observed in the case of Frankialmus. Next, 20th one, probiotics means what? Cancer-inducing microorganism, new kind of food allergens, live microbial food supplement, safe antibiotics. So 20th one, it is a live microbial food supplements, that is probiotics. So right answer for the question number 20, it is C. For 19, it is A. Okay, Manoj. My next class will be on 25th, 25th, and the topic will be human immunity and disease. Okay, human immunity and disease. My next topic, it is on 23rd, 25th, and time is same, 9 p.m. Okay, and the topic will be human immunity and disease. Got it? Yeah. And for the 20th question, right answer is C. Next, 21st question. Another few questions left. Okay, 5 to 6 questions. Duff kept overnight in warm weather becomes soft and spongy because of what? Duff means the raw material with respect to making of dosa and idli. That is a duff, which is kept overnight from night to morning. Overnight in warm weather become soft and spongy. Spongy appearance will be there with respect to that prepared duff, and they are very soft. What is the reason behind that one? It is nothing but fermentation. So as a result of that, we can observe carbon dioxide production, and holes will be there. We can observe holes, and we can observe the softy nature, soft and spongy nature. So the idli or dosa will having soft and tasty, isn't it? That is because of this fermentation. Yes. What happened? Yes, Manoj. No, it is human health and disease. It is human immunity and disease. Okay, my next class will be human immunity and disease. That is on 25th. Time is 9 p.m. Human immunity and disease. Yes, what happened? We know it is a safe antibiotic called as. So, for which question you ask? Yeah. Probiotics are microbial food supplement. What happened? Just a minute. I will check it and I will tell. Maybe sometime what happened is by ticking, during the ticking time, it may be going up and down. That's all. Okay. Yeah, sorry, it is not C. Samshay Bantu. We are going to change this also. Okay, good work, Vinod. Appreciate your answer. So, it is safe antibiotics. Probiotics are live bacteria and yeast that will have good effect on us, especially with respect to digestive system. Okay, safe antibiotics, live microbial food supplements. It's not food supplements. Okay, it may be a live microbial, but actually it is usually think of these germs that cause disease. We are thinking like that, but our body is full of bacteria, both good and bad. Probiotics are often called good and helpful bacteria because they help to keep our gut healthy. Gut means alimentary canal. So right answer, it is D. Okay, for 20th one. Yeah. And next question, I think we are in question number 21st. It is B. Yeah, 21st B. You are right, Manohar. Thanks for your appreciation. Next question number 22nd. Identify from the following nitrogen fixing bacteria which forms a loose association with the grasses of certain grasses and maize. That is with the certain grasses and maize. Anabinazole, Azospirillum, Lipophorum, Bacillus polymyxin and Clostridium. So 22nd right answer is B, Azospirillum. Okay, right answer is B for 22nd question. Next, 23rd, bacteria used in anaerobic breakdown for biogas production. Anaerobic breakdown for biogas production, which is the bacteria. That is nothing but what? Methanogens. In the ruminants, gut, in the cow, cattle, etc., we can observe the presence of these methanogens. Yes, Manoj, you are right. Dhananjaya, welcome to the class. Yes, B is the right answer. Yeah. Vinod, you are also right. Dhananjaya, you are also right. Yeah. Next question number 24. Another few questions, 2 or 3 questions. Which one of the following pair is correctly matched? 24. It is B. Mycorrhiza. It is the association of root and fungus. That fungus will going to have mineral uptake from the soil and provide it into the root. So mycorrhiza is the root plus fungus. Okay, so fungus will going to provide the mineral uptake to the root. So it's a mutual association. Once again, symbiosis. Okay. Next, azolla is used as a biofertilizer because it contains what? Or what is the nature of that? Why it is considered as azolla is considered as a biofertilizer? Because it has association nitrogen fixing cyanobacteria. It is association with the cyanobacteria which is going to fix atmospheric nitrogen. So totally the fertility of the soil will going to increase if you are going to add the azolla. So azolla growing is commonly there in the case of agricultural field and also in the cattle. If you are going to provide this azolla to the cattle as a feed, that will going to enhance the growth and good yield of milk in the case of cattle. That is also another important thing here. 25th, C is the right answer. And last question, which of the following organism does not possess the ability to fix atmospheric nitrogen? Out of 4 options, which is not the nitrogen fixer? Very simple. It is the Spirogyra. Spirogyra is not the nitrogen fixer. Azotobacter, Anabina, Nostoc. These are the nitrogen fixer, but D, Spirogyra, is not the nitrogen fixer. Yes. Mycorrhiza means it's the association of root, plant root and fungus. Mycology refers to fungus. Rhiza refers to root. Association of fungus plus root. That is what? Mycorrhiza. Myxomycetes. 1 second. What happened for the previous question? So here correctly matched. I want correctly matched. So Myxomycetes is not ringworm. Okay. It is not ringworm causing organism or the fungus. Is a class of slime mold that contains different order. So slime mold, once again fungus, but it is not causing ringworm. Okay. Myxomycetes, Myxomycota. Myxomycetes is a fungus. Okay. Mesetozoa, it is also called mesetozoa, and is a fungus-like organism with the kingdom Protista. So it is not a fungus; it's a fungal-like organism belonging to Protista. Okay, got it? It is a Protista. Okay, not a fungi, Protista. Got it? So that is the answer. For 24th, it is B, correctly matched. Okay, got it? Yes, my next class will be on 25th. The time is same 9 p.m. and the topic will be human immunity and disease, focusing towards immunity power and disease, different diseases. Okay, that is my next class. It will be on 25th. Time will be at 9 p.m. Okay, topic is human immunity and disease. So that is about today's class, and if you want to join to plus course, you can join. So here you will get detailed theory, MCQ, doubt clearance and mega quiz. Thank you one and all. Good night. I will going to wind up the class. Here the plus classes are as follows, and batches I already said you can use my code KCET Murali to get 10% off regarding with the price value. So thank you. See you again in the next class. Good night.